Philippines.
Oops, my heart went. Mamuntag mga best mga bahay. Sige, mamuntag sa inyo tanan. Today we are doing a weird video.
It'll be fun.
So the other day I did Mom Joey's makeup.
For my channel.
If you haven't seen it on her channel, go check it out. She looks very beautiful.
Like Kylie Jenner, but better.
Kylie Jenner and a clown had a baby. Boom.
The lips are really the worst part, but
The rest are pretty good.
Your blending's not bad.
So Mom Joey had this fantastic idea. She's gonna do my makeup because I already look like a cheeks.
Budget.
So today she's gonna do my makeup. She's gonna make me look very pretty. Let's get it cracking. First things first. I think this thing's gotta go.
I don't know how to do this.
Do the honors.
I don't know how. This isn't. It's going everywhere. It's like mowing. That's up your nose. I can give you a haircut next.
All right, so now I look like a little boy. I'm a real boy. Let's proceed to the makeup.
So the peg for this is old Ma'am Joey.
Most people, when they think of Mom Joey, they think simple and naked face. Pero sa una, dagan siya makeup. She was a corporate girl.
Okay.
Nice. Good bun.
Good bun. But yes, the peg is Ma'am Joey goes night clubbing. Usually we'd start with skincare, but I'm running out, so he doesn't get any. This is like quite your color.
So when I did Zoe's makeup, I thought this was lipstick.
Yeah. I mean, you eventually figured it out. You put it everywhere. But, I mean, it's only BB cream, so the coverage is quite minimal.
Bruh.
Go. New mustache.
Rest in peace. You snort. You tried to hide your snort.
Because BB cream is not foundation. It's BB cream. I also don't like having things on my fingers.
A tutorial by Mom Joey.
Wow, you're really white.
Thank you.
No, I mean, this stuff is like not your color. Today we learned that you need vitamin D if you want to not get sick from that bad. So make sure you get some sun and then don't look like Carmen.
What?
Because you're white.
So I gave Zoe my credit card the other day to buy this makeup, and she came back and spent 2,000 pesos. I'm not trying to spend $40 on makeup.
I am.
So please like this video so I can get my money back.
This is why you shouldn't give your credit card to a girl to buy makeup and not set a budget.
I look sick. I look like I have...
We're getting better. We're gonna get...
I look like I'm a corpse at the viewing, like a dead body. Look at this. This is terrible. I'm sorry.
I'm not bad. Just the base, but yeah, it's probably not your color, but it's gonna get better. Can you look at me? Thanks. Very good.
This is for the eye bags.
Yeah. So if you have dark circles, concealer, obviously. And a lot of people think concealer goes under foundation. Wrong. Foundation will just rub your concealer off. And I think I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. Look up, please. Not your head. Your eyes. What are you doing? Look up. Look up.
I am looking up.
Yeah, but you're blinking too much.
Dun, dun, dun.
Wish I had some tissues.
So ang goal for this video is dili ko mailhan ninyo na lalaki ako. Dapat babae gyud na gwapa. Dili pwede batignaw kay batikog naong daan. Mas nindot kon gwapa.
Huh?
Nothing.
What did you say about me?
Nosebleed.
I just didn't hear it wasn't a nosebleed. You're right, you look a little bit sickly. We just need to add some color.
And by the way, we are in a new house. We just posted a vlog yesterday of transferring to a new house, and today we are in an even newer house.
Same place, like property.
Same property,
Same
different
owner.
building. They upgraded us.
Yeah, because we're here for such a long time. Our host, she's so lovely.
They want to make sure we're comfortable during this pandemic, so shout out to
Tita Gloria. Focus, darling. Can I be honest about something? I got a color that would suit me because I know I'll end up with a makeup.
Go.
No, what are you doing? No.
What do you want me to do?
Okay, that's okay.
You made me look like a fool.
No, I'm not.
I looked like a fool last night. What took you so long?
Giving you cheekbones. He has very good cheekbones already. So we're contouring.
I already have cheekbones because I'm super new. I'm super skinny already.
Yeah, I had to do a lot of this on my face because it's so round. Like a ball.
Makeup is just real life Photoshop.
Man, Joey looked like a different human before. You keep moving.
My neck hurts.
Wow, you're not cut out for this.
Terrible posture.
Yeah. You still in? You're still in. Your hair is just, we need a headband.
That looks gross.
You're gonna look nice. Oh my gosh. Stop. So the key is to blend. There's a reason I have no money in stocks. Because I spent it all on makeup.
I believe it. And a new car.
Yeah, that as well. But in a former life, I spent most of my paycheck on makeup. It was problematic.
And nails.
And nails. I was a bit high maintenance. Everyone's like, you're so not arty. I'm like, oh, I was. I'm better now. Get some color. I considered becoming a professional makeup artist, but decided not
Did you
to.
really?
I did, yeah.
Some high expectations now.
I said I didn't do the course. I just watched YouTube. I just watched YouTube tutorials by Asian chicks because I have different faces. So I don't know how to do it professionally or anything on my people. Smile. Not so aggressively. Thanks. So we're just adding a little blush because he's so washed out. What's your girl name? Carla. That's why.
Cindy. Yeah.
Why? You don't look like a girl, you just look like a boy wearing makeup.
Because I got that jawline.
Keep smiling. Well, I'm trying my best, but you're quite boyish in features. So this is called the apples of your cheeks. And the easiest way to find them to apply blush is to smile. And then for contour, you suck in. And then go under the bar.
I'm done with this.
We're done. In a former life, I would spend at least 30 minutes getting ready just on my face.
Only 30 minutes.
Only 30 and then another 15 to 20 on my hair because I had a bob. So it had to be
A
pristine.
bob is a long bowl cut, for those of you who do not know.
It's not at all.
It's not.
That's fine.
Let's compare the bob and the bowl cut.
Dang, shorty. Brows.
Give me the fade.
I don't know how. I really, if there's anything I hate putting on other people, it's eyebrows and eyelashes. You have just one extremely long hair.
Shout out Erica Ahern with the fade. She got the key line.
Yes, she does.
Remember, I used to be very good at it.
My neck hurts.
I don't care.
Did not sign up for this.
You did. You literally signed up for this. This is your idea. No, it was my idea, but like you signed up for it. I do a flicking technique, like in the direction of the hairs to mirror hairs. You can't just draw across. That's crayon.
It's coming along. I still look dead.
So again, in my former life, I would spend an average of $30 a fortnight on my eyebrows, as I get them threaded. Between $55 and $70 on my nails every 3 weeks. This is Aussie dollars, but still.
This is why I'm not moving to Australia, because I know that she's going right back to it.
I will not. I'm better now. We don't even need to talk about how much I would spend on my hair. I was paying an average of like $300.
I'm only burning my half.
One time I dyed my hair purple. It was a phase.
It's not a phase, Mom. It's a lifestyle.
Stop talking.
I want a new makeup artist. Now I look like my lips are even smaller.
I'll put lipstick on. Everyone's a critic.
It's amazing. People do this every morning.
I used to love it. I still love it. I find so much joy in it. Posture. I have a halftime brag.
Posture, look at me.
This is what she did to my eyelids. I'm not really sure what she did.
Just
Put
a
some-
wee bit of glitter. Oh my, you have the shortest eyelashes. These are nice lashes, close. So you have to wait between applying the glue and applying the lashes to the eyelid because it has to get tacky, kind of like fake eyelashes.
I think we're gonna stick to travel videos after this, guys.
Why?
Don't worry.
Okay, my favorite hack is getting a Q-tip and folding it in half, and then you get like this part because I don't like to get glue stuck on my fingers. And then you can use it to push the eyelashes where they need to be. With eyelashes, it means you mean business. And you're gonna hit the clubs. Your right eye's so developed.
Oh, these are terrible. Don't waste the money on eyelashes, guys. Girls.
Do.
Whoever.
It's important.
My eyelids feel so heavy.
You look so pretty.
These eyelashes are horrible.
I need you to be still, otherwise you're gonna end up how I looked in the last video. Pull it tight. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, because my left hand doesn't really work very well. Ta-da!
Woo! Alright. Is this the final product? This is it. How'd you do?
You still look like you, just with makeup. Hair's down.
Ooh, look what you made me do. What you made me do. Yo, who's trying to slide in my DMs?
No one. Boy or girl, thanks.
Do I look like a babae? Alright, so I'm gonna slap a few pictures of my siblings. Let me know if I look like any of them. If I don't, let me know if I'm guapa. Tell me what your favorite feature about me is. Whether it's my ilong, my beautiful eyelashes, or just my nice cheekbones.
I love your cheekbones.
Alright. I look stupid.
Hi.
Alright, so let's go clubbing.